Hello guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one I will be showing you guys how you can edit a face in the Snapseed photo editing app by Google, and let's get right into it. So for this example I took this photograph off the internet, just downloaded it off of Google Images, and as you can see this charming gentleman has a scar on his right eye, and he has a bit of a wrinkle next to his left eye. So what I'm going to show you guys how to do is how you can, well, for lack of a better word, heal this, and which is pretty appropriate considering the tool that we're going to use. So yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, I explained, actually before I start, I explained how to open photographs in other tutorials, so please refer to them. I won't be showing that in this one, just to, get it done easier. So yeah, anyway, now that we actually have this photo open, what we want to do to actually remove this scar, just zoom in if you'd like and go to tools. Now that you're in tools, third row from the top, first from the left, you'll see the healing tool, and just click on that. Now what this does is pretty much it takes features from around the point that you select and it basically melts them together. And for example, if I were to drag this across the scar, as you can see, I've selected that, and once I let go, it will be pretty much gone. As you can see, this case looks really natural. In some cases, it might not look that natural. However, that definitely is one way to do it. And for the top of the scar as well, as you can see, all done and dusted. Now for this space, as you can see, I'll just zoom out a little bit, select it all. Whoops, yeah, as you can see, it can be quite rough. However, if you end up just tapping those spaces away, and if you zoom in quite a bit, you can just meld it together nicely without any, this isn't really a good example, but yeah, if you try and go really into detail, you can meld it really nicely. However, I won't be doing that because yeah, that's pretty much it, what I have to say, and I'll see you guys in another video.